How to turn off voice navigation in Google Maps for Android. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I will teach you how you can turn off voice navigation in Google Maps for Android. Now before we begin with that, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified whenever we release a new video. Now let's jump right in. To turn off Google Maps voice navigation, you'll have to first open up your Google Maps app. So locate your Google Maps app, which I recommend should be up to date to the latest version. Then open up the map. After you open up a map, you can then start navigation to a destination. So you can search for a destination here. After you select a destination, you can tap on the start option to start navigation. Now during navigation, tap the speaker icon located at the bottom right or the top right corner of your screen. After you tap on it, tap on the mute option. Then you will be muted. This is basically it. Now this will turn your navigation to silent, and after that, this is basically just a temporary solution. For a fixed solution, what you can do is go back, and now after you're on your Google Maps, tap on your profile icon on the top right. After you do that, you can then tap on your settings. On your settings, you will need to search for an option called navigation settings. So search for navigation, open it up, and from here all you now have to do is under sound and voice. Under sound and voice, choose mute option. Select mute and you can turn off the voice option for everything else. And yeah, if you want, you can only turn on alert options and you're good to go. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.